Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to create conversational forms for free with unlimited submissions. Long, static online forms often feel like boring exams, leading most people to abandon them halfway through. For creators and businesses, these high drop-off rates mean lost leads and wasted effort. Fortunately, there's a better way. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to build an interactive conversational form that keeps users engaged from start to finish, all using a platform that offers unlimited submissions without hidden paywalls. What makes a form conversational? It operates like a real back and forth conversation instead of a static piece of paper. Instead of overwhelming responses with a wall of fields all at once, it presents one question at a time and adapts dynamically, personalizing subsequent steps based on previous answers. This step-by-step personalized approach keeps your audience engaged and dramatically boosts completion rates. To build this today, we're using Forms.app. It's a highly capable form builder that allows you to easily switch between standard list views and step-by-step conversational layouts. Building one of these takes just a couple of minutes. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can start completely from scratch, grab a pre-made template, or speed up the process by using their AI form generator. You just type in what your form is for, and the AI handles the initial structural heavy lifting. To make it truly conversational, you just toggle the design layout over to the step view option. From there, you can easily set up conditional logic to skip irrelevant fields based on what a user selects, and you use answer piping to inject your previous inputs directly into upcoming questions. To elevate the presentation further, you can drop images and video elements directly into individual slides, making the experience highly immersive and tailored to your brand. When your form is polished, you can then jump to the Preview tab to test out the logic and see exactly how smooth the single question transitions look on both desktop and mobile screens. Now, publishing is instant. You get a direct shareable link that you can drop into your social descriptions or bios. If you want it hosted directly on your website, you can copy their clean embed code to feature it as a full-page experience, a standard embed, a sleek pop-up, or even a sliding side panel. Now, looking at the pricing structure, the free tier is remarkably robust for real-world projects. You get all the essential features, including conditional logic, payment integrations, and digital signatures, alongside those unlimited monthly submissions and team seats. Now, if there are any limitations above what we just mentioned, you have the paid plans at 3 tiers. You have the basic plan at $29, the pro plan at $39, and the premium at $79. Now, all of these plans include unlimited responses and unlimited team members. And if you're upgrading, you're going to get advanced features such as partial responses, custom domain, and other premium capabilities. Ultimately, if you want to create highly engaging surveys and questionnaires that feel personal rather than clinical, conversational forms are the absolute standard. Forms.app delivers a rare combination, premium user experience features alongside a genuinely practical free plan that doesn't limit your audience reach. So if you want to start building your own conversational step forms, check out the link in the description to set up your free account and create your own forms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.